Hello, I'm Ashley from Acquire Digital. We're here at the ISE 2020 to show off the Wayfinder solution. Not only the Wayfinder solution as a normal mapping, but it also is what we class as a SmartHub. So the SmartHub means that we can introduce any data, whether it be live data, busts, anything else like that, we can bring in. The system is designed to show all the shops, give you all the routing. We can break the amenities down as well, so we can have shopping, dining, amenities, dealing events, and anything else you need on here. The reason we say SmartHub is so we can bring in live weather feeds, as well as feeds to show what the pollution are within the air. We can bring in live feeds for amber alerts, for messaging, to make sure people can get out if they need to in fire escapes, but we can also bring in any of the gamification that can get introduced with gaming and other advertisements, interactive advertisements for clients on the Wayfinder, all built in as one. The whole system is done with analytics in the background. Everything is adjusted, maintained, and done all through the CMS itself. And that's where yourself or the clients can manage, update all the information that they need to. Okay, so thank you and have a good show. Oh, and the website is www.acquiredigital.com.